G'day everyone. So today we're just going to have a quick look at the iRig Keys 25 USB keyboard from IK Media. So first I'm just going to unbox it and then we'll have a look at what's inside. Okay, so there we have it. It's a ultra compact MIDI keyboard with little mini keys, which can still be played, but they're definitely a lot smaller than these keys. So what I'm just going to do is plug this into my laptop and we'll have a little see how it works. Okay, so the iRig Keys 25 comes with a sample tank, which is a virtual instrument which you can load into any DAW. I'm currently using Reaper, but you can use with whatever DAW you'd like, no doubt. So you just open up sample tank, and then you can choose the instrument or the sound that you want to use. Now, I've got a previously installed version of Sample Tank, so I'm not 100% sure which sounds come with this keyboard, but it says you can choose from a selection, so therefore you could probably access these sounds I'm going to show you right now. So we'll just start with a good old piano, or demo with a piano, because that kind of shows the velocity, or it's easy to show the velocity and all that sort of thing on the piano sounds. So here we go. Bit of rubbish playing here. Piano's not my forte. So yeah, so you can they are velocity sensitive keys, so you can play gently and get louder and louder. Also, you might be wondering, okay, what if I want to play parts that are higher or lower than the keys you have available? That's where you can use these octave buttons to move the keyboard up the scale, or down. So if you're composing, or if you're like me and don't really play piano, so you just want to play little bits, you can easily transpose or move the keys to suit the notes that you want to be playing on that particular song. So yeah, so that's the iRig Keys 25. So overall, a nice, convenient, small-sized piano. You could easily put it in your backpack or in your bag, take it away on holiday with you. And start composing when inspiration strikes. Plugs into your keyboard and comes with some sounds as well. You can also, of course, use it to trigger the sounds that you already have, like if you have native instruments or any other software packages with really good sounds on them, then you can trigger those as well as the cool sounds that come with the device. It doesn't actually make any sound on its own. So you do need it as a controller for a computer, so it needs to be plugged into a computer to get any sounds out of it. It'll be really good for on stage, for playing little parts, small parts, or just to use as a trigger for stage events, so either lighting effects when you're on stage, or to start a backing track playing or that sort of thing, use it as a trigger. So yeah, so a really cool little device, and conveniently sized. Right, cheers.